I want to share with you today what I call a cylinder method of construction that can be used on any pattern where the fabrics remain in the same sequence. We've done a workshop showing you how to do Trip Around the World, and you can see I've got two behind me that are in different sizes. But the other pattern that springs immediately to mind using this technique is the Bargello pattern. The fabrics remain in exactly the same sequence for both the quilts, but for Bargello we subcut then in slightly different widths to give this lovely movement. And then we are going to be doing a separate workshop on the Bargello. But for today, it's just the technique of making a cylinder. What you need to do is decide on the sequence of your colours. And in this case, I've got 7 here that have just lived. I'm happy with the way they live together. It doesn't matter which one you call number 1 and which one you call number 7, because it's all going to be done in a cylinder, and then we're going to unpick them.